Welcome to our channel. If you want to secure your account from fraud, follow these step-by-step instructions to prevent SIM swaps and unauthorized access. Step 1. Set up a strong account PIN or password that's not easily guessed. Avoid birthdays, addresses, or simple sequences, and use a unique PIN you don't use elsewhere. Step 2. Enable additional security features offered by your carrier. Many providers offer enhanced security options like requiring in-person verification for account changes. Step 3. Opt out of number porting and SIM changes without additional verification. Contact customer service and request. They flag your account for extra security on these high-risk transactions. Step 4. Set up account alerts for all changes, including SIM activations and port requests. Immediate notifications let you contact carriers quickly if unauthorized changes are attempted. Step 5. Avoid sharing account details including passwords and PINs on social media or public platforms. Scammers gather this information to impersonate you to customer service representatives. Step 6. Use two-factor authentication on all linked accounts, like email and banking. Protect accounts that use your phone number for verification from being compromised through SIM swaps. Step 7. Review your account regularly for unauthorized changes or unfamiliar activity. Check for new lines, device purchases, plan changes, or other modifications you didn't make. Step 8. Report suspected fraud immediately to your carrier and change all passwords. Speed is critical in preventing full account takeovers and protecting your financial accounts and personal information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.